Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to merge cells. As example, I will create a table. Okay, we create a table in here. You can sort. The next, if you want to merge cells, you can sort the cells columns and then you can click this icon to merge cells. You also can merge in vertical. You can sort the vertical and then click again the icons to merge cells. If you want to unmerge, you can select the columns and then you can click drop down menu, choose the unmerge. Be back into normal. And I will click again at this point. You can click unmerge. Now you can create again the table. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheet tutorial how to merge cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.